Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. All right, let's get started. In this episode of Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs, we're going to be going over basics of how to get started in Clubhouse and get going in that. So to get started, I've already got the Clubhouse app open and we're just going to go through some of the basic features of it. So here in the top left, you have the search icon, which is going to help you find rooms or people that you want to follow in there. Next is going to be the invites, and this is how many invites you have left to send to people. Clubhouse is invite only still, so you'll need to invite people that you want to add. The next is the calendar icon, and that shows any events that you have coming up with certain groups that you're a part of. The next is going to be your notifications and activity screen on what's happening. And then there's going to be, if you have a photo uploaded, you're going to see your picture or letters for your name. If you click on that, you can see that I have my photo, my name, and then if I was to click anywhere in this text, I can update my bio, and you can use emojis in there as well. Next, you'll see you can upload your Instagram or your Twitter account, who you were nominated by, and a member of any groups you're a part of. Also, you can click on the gear icon and you can go through the different features such as notifications and whatnot. Next, if we go back, here is the actual bulk of Clubhouse right here, which is you can see the rooms that are active that Clubhouse thinks I would be interested in joining. And I can join into those rooms by clicking on them. Now, if I wanted to start a room, I could click start a room. And then I have a couple different options what I can do here. Open makes it open to the public. Social is going to make it only available to people that follow me. And then this is going to be a private room for people that I had to invite. So it's invite only. The next are rooms or member clubs that I'm a part of, and I can start a club with those. What you want to do next is add a topic, and this is going to be the name of your Clubhouse room. Once you've done that, I'm going to make mine open for now, and let's just press let's go. Next, you're going to see that I've started my room. And you can see that I'm talking, so I have an outline around my name. And the green star asterisk means that I also am the moderator of the room. So what are some of the features that you can do inside of this? If you click the dots, you can see you can share room, search room, end room, change the audio quality. You can also leave quietly, which means that you'll just leave with no notifications that you've left. Raise hands if you're a moderator and you have people in here and you want to see who's raised their hand. Add is going to be add people to your room. And then the microphone icon is going to be a mute button, so you can mute yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and end my room. And now it says I've ended my room. And that's it for getting started on Clubhouse. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.